Okay. All of a sudden, I started getting a lot of some text messages from Zapier. And what I had done, if you've been around as long as I have messing with Google Calendars, you can remember the time when they used to send you a text message reminder. When you go to Google Calendar now, you will notice that when I go to set up to set up a task, not a task, excuse me, an event. So I'm going to meet somebody, talk to somebody, do whatever. You add location. There's more options, and you go in here, and it has notifications, which that sends to your desktop, and a push notification to your phone, and that's pretty cool. You can hear some whistling in my ear right now. At least I can. But used to it sent you text messages, so it's no longer. You have emails and notifications. You no longer have text messages. It's an option. And so a year or two ago, I built an automation that used Zapier's internal text SMS abilities, that when I received an email that had the word appointment in it, appointment booked, that it would send me a text message to let me know that someone had gone. Let me show you how that works. So you go to my website, and on all of them there should be this button down here, book a call with Bob, and it takes you to this great appointment setup here. And you'll see how right now I'm recording this at 12:20. Well, you can book an appointment up till starting at 1 o'clock today. Just as an aside, no, I'm not going down that road. So you can book an appointment, and it will send me push notifications. It will send me emails, but it won't send me a text message like it used to remind me when someone had done booked an appointment. And I just pay more attention, like most people do, to text messages than I do to appointments. To push notifications. So all of a sudden, in the past few minutes, I've gotten all of these. These started 11:49, 12:03, 12:15, and what it is, one of my clients and I are having an email conversation that somewhere in here it's including the word book appointment. That is not what I intended. What I wanted it to find was where the title of the email was appointment booked. And in particular, so I worked through that to see where appointment booked, and then I set it up to add a tag to it. So here's how you fix this situation. I went into the Zap, and now I'm going to edit it because I just picked the wrong parameters. But it never came up until today. Edit existing draft, and you will see under setup a new email with, well, what was in there, it's gone to the draft already. Let me do this. Can I roll it back? Appointment book, draft, undo. I just don't know if I can do it. Zapier is not intuitive sometimes. Let's do it from here. I've got too many iterations of it open. All right, so I came here and there were a lot of zaps coming in where it sent me a text message saying appointment was booked. And I think I've already started modifying this. I don't want to use the draft. Let's go back and edit. Create a new draft. There you go. And you can see in here I had the words, search words, appointment booked. What I just found out the hard way is I don't want search words appointment booked. I want the, if you go back and look at it, you'll see I actually have, it's kind of a weird color of green, hardly shows up. I actually put labels on them. And so you need to make this to look for the label. And the way you do that is you get a new email. Let's see, new email, new labeled email. Triggers when you get a label. I think this is the right one. And then I'm going to configure that, and the label that I want is, now if you're not using labels, you need to get with the program because it's pretty cool. Appointment booked. And then test the trigger. There's no new ones. That's good. This is going to be one back on. It's the one that was already in my thing. So I'm going to continue with selected record. Continue and continue and publish it. And that's how you fix that. So yeah, you can add text messaging to remind you of an appointment on Google Calendar.